Since I have a chronic condition where my bones are loose, I require ergonomic keyboards. However, I clearly have a computer peripheral aesthetic, as you can tell from the Mistel Barocco MD770 with the Melodica Magic Girl keycaps. So I'm not buying a Moonlander. So I need more split mechanical keyboards. So today we're unboxing the Royal Kludge RKS70 keyboard. So I did get this off of eBay because it is a Chinese company that has normally great reviews. So this box has already been opened. But you can't really find the split keyboard anywhere. And in research, that seems to be because they don't have the firmware perfectly figured out. And in a company that actually cares about QA, that appears to matter. So it looks like we've got replacement switches, nice. White keyboard cord, might switch that to my current one. Same with this. So it does have some lovely sage keycaps that I do have to admit was part of the reason that I started looking at this and went looking for it, found it on eBay. But I also have enough keycaps for like 6 keyboards, a lot of which are from Melodica, so I could switch these out for like Witch Girl and it would be the same aesthetic. I have read that there are issues mapping the function keys to a Mac because there's not a function key row. You press the function key here. Oh, there's a nice pen to keep it together. My Mistel does not have that. Ooh, structural, which is good because I want to travel with it, right? And then the feet allow you to tint it, not only tint it for when it's together, but also tint it apart at multiple levels, which is really, really what I'm looking for, both the wrist rest and the tinting, because if I'm working at somebody's, I don't know, conference table, and I'm on my Chica keyboard on my Mac, it's like just pressing up against my forearms, which is real bad for me. So I will have to get another cord for my Mistel. These aren't one-to-one. There's a funky little like sides to its connection that pops in. But another reason that I was looking at this specifically for a travel keyboard is it does do Bluetooth and wireless, which is pretty fabulous. Right now I am using my USB-C cord from my Mistel, and then it comes with USB-C and USB-C ends for this, which, you know, maybe I'm just getting new cords for my Mistel. Maybe I'm not stealing it from this. The other thing that makes it good for travel is it is quieter than my Mistel. And as you can see, I was talking about earlier, is it has these little metal attachments for where the split keyboard comes together. So it does, like, it's a little shaky, but it does actually stay together, whereas my Mistel, it's just, you just pop it together, and that did not work. It's also a little louder. I take back what I said about RGBs not being a selling point of this keyboard, because there are many fun modes, and you can do it in colors, and I don't tend to buy keycaps where I expect the RGBs to shine through the letters or numbers or symbols, so I'm pretty happy with the RGBs in this. Typically I go for more colors, clearly, but like I'm really liking just the white situation we got going on here. The spacebars are infuriatingly close to being able to fit. Custom keycaps, like infuriatingly close. We're talking millimeters off. But it's okay, because it's not like I can fit spacebars on my other split keyboard. I think this is just split keyboard life. And I don't think anybody else is going to notice that the sages are just ever so slightly different colors. It's okay, I'll survive. It is currently working using only Bluetooth, and I'm having no problem with the function keys on Mac, so pretty happy with this. I am really looking forward to using this as a travel keyboard for when I am expecting to type all day. It is, you know, not insubstantial, so probably not going to take it to like you know, work in a coffee shop for 30 minutes to an hour, but full days at a conference table, which is something that I expect to do, is going to be perfect. You cannot remove these wrist rests without detaching the battery cable, which means you wouldn't be able to do wireless. So overall pleased with the RKS70 from Royal Kludge with a K. These are the Melodica Witch Girl keys. They go pretty well with the space bars because we know split keyboard life, no space bars. I can't even get this thing apart without actually using two hands. This is a really great split keyboard. I'm sad that you can't really find them.